Sometimes the smallest thing makes the biggest difference. When two boards fit perfectly, that's precision. When they stay together, that's smart joinery. And dowels? They're just one of the tricks in the box. So today, I'll show you 3 ways to make or get your own. From old school woodworking to the good old add to cart method. Let's start with the first one. This is the method I used when I needed dowels from a specific wood species and couldn't find any to buy. I searched online, saw this dowel making tool all over YouTube and woodworking forums, and decided to give it a try. That little gadget turns square sticks into round ones, depending on the diameter you need. Sounds simple. Looks simple. Isn't simple. And the results? Not always perfect. It's one of those tools that quietly reminds you, woodworking is just geometry with consequences. My recommendation would be not to use softwood. It breaks faster than your patience. If you ever need a dowel from a specific species, and it should be a longer one than usual, this tool will do the job. If not, you'll probably end up shopping on Amazon or some big box store very soon. Next up, the plug cutter drill bit. Now this one feels fast and efficient until it starts smoking. You simply drill into a scrap piece of wood, and it cuts perfect round plugs you can use as dowels. It's great for matching wood color, reusing scraps, and pretending you planned everything ahead of time. And it's even better if you have a drill press, as I found it not easy doing it with your regular hand drill. The only downside, your shop ends up smelling like a campfire. And finally, the most practical option, buy them. Amazon has every size, shape, and wood species you can imagine. You can spend 3 hours making a dowel, or 3 minutes adding one to your cart. They cost next to nothing, and honestly, there's no shame in it. Because woodworking isn't always about proving something. Sometimes it's just about getting the job done and still having time for dinner. So whether you make them, drill them, or buy them, it's not about how the dowel was born. It's about what it's holding together. If you enjoy projects that balance creativity, sawdust, and just a touch of chaos, hit subscribe, and let's keep building something real together.